In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change admin on Facebook Business Manager. Managing who has admin access to your Meta business account is really important for security and for keeping control over your pages, ad accounts, and other assets. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to give someone full admin permissions or take those permissions away using Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. The easiest way is to search for Meta Business Suite and log in with the Facebook account that owns or manages your business. Make sure you're signing into the right profile, especially if you manage more than one business, because all the changes you make will apply to the business that's currently selected. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, this is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Settings to open the area where you can manage your business details, users, and permissions. Inside Settings, you'll find a section where your team members or users are listed. Look for the person whose admin access you want to give or revoke. Next to their name, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open more options for that specific user. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Edit Business Portfolio Permissions. This is where you control what that person can and cannot do inside your business manager, including whether they have full admin control. You'll now see a set of toggles or switches related to their permissions. Look for the main toggle that gives them control over everything. If you want to make them an admin with full access to all assets in this business portfolio, turn this toggle on. If you want to remove their admin rights or limit what they can do, toggle it off instead. Take a moment to double check, because admin access allows someone to manage pages, ad accounts, people, and many key settings. After you've adjusted the toggle the way you want, scroll down if needed and click on Save. This step is crucial. If you don't hit save, your changes won't apply. Once you save, the user's role is updated immediately. That's it. You've successfully changed admin access in Facebook Business Manager using Meta Business Suite.